Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. So today is a Friday, weekend is here. I'm so happy because I've had such a long crazy week. I really am looking forward to the weekend. So the time right now is 7:20 and I just got done taking a shower and I have to go to college in some time. But before that we are gonna dry down my hair because if I step out with wet hair I'll get a really bad headache. I already have a bad cold today. So yeah, I'll quickly tell you guys the plan for the day. So we are gonna go to college and work till 3:45 and leave and go to Phoenix because Innisfree is opening a store in Chennai. I'm so looking forward to that. So yeah, that launch is happening and after that I'm gonna come home and I have no idea what time I'm gonna come home, but yeah, I will come home, shoot, edit and upload today's video. So it's gonna be a long day and I don't really know when I'll get everything done, when I'll sleep or whatever, but it's okay because I am really looking forward to having a super productive day. I have lots of work to be done in college, lots of work to be done otherwise as well, and yes, really excited for today. So yes, with that positive, happy, productive note, let's get started. So this is the outfit for today. I picked up this really pretty floral maxi that I absolutely love from Kimara. I just got it yesterday and I think I got it right on time because the Innisfree event is today. And yeah, I just thought I'll wear this all day because you know it's really comfortable and the material is also really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this the whole day. Really loving it. So the time right now is 11:30 and I already feel so dead. The heat is so bad and I'm feeling extremely tired. It's time for some khana. So today I have tomato rice with curd and onion and also pauzia. So guys, the time right now is 2:45 and I'm done with everything that I had planned for the day. There's a little bit, half an hour's work left. I'll maybe do that at home tomorrow, I don't know. Anyways, it's time for us to get ready for Innisfree. I'm sweating like shit and I just can't be in the bathroom for more than 5 minutes. So I decided to get ready in the car. I always get ready in my car, but today I was thinking, let me just try getting ready in the washroom, but it's impossible in this heat. So yes, I'm gonna wipe my face clean and start doing my makeup because I'm already late. I should have left by now, but I haven't started my makeup itself yet. So yeah, I'll try doing my makeup ASAP and then leave. So this is the look I've gone for. I only focused on my base today because I wanted my skin to look really fresh and nice. So that's exactly what I've done. Lots of glow, lots of bronzer, and yeah, of course, lots and lots of foundation. But for the eyes, I just did dramatic lashes and brows and lots of highlight because I didn't want to do any eye makeup today. And yes, a berry lip color and I'm good to go. I'm really happy with the way the look has turned out with the hair and everything. So yes, I'm going to shut up now because I'm super late and I'm going to leave for Phoenix. So I'm in Charles & Keith right now and that's Priya and Sumiksha. And this is the kind of mess we've made. We are trying like literally everything in the store because they have a really crazy offer going on for the next 1 hour. So yeah. I'm done with the event and it went so well, but I am so tired. I'm literally walking with my footwear in my hand because I cannot wear heels even for a minute now. So guys, I got home a while back. The time right now is 7 o'clock and I am dead. I was standing all day in college because my work is such I can't sit and make patterns. I have to stand, and when I sit and do things it's just much slower, so I needed to do a lot of things. So I was standing and doing, and I did get everything done, but yeah, that left me with a really bad pain in my feet. And even at the event I was wearing heels and standing, so I'm just like super tired, and I'm in no condition to move. And another screw up that has happened is that the video that I was supposed to shoot, I needed to buy 2-3 makeup products for that, and none of those are available near my house. So I thought when I'm going to the mall I'll buy it from there. I totally forgot, and even on the way I didn't remember. So now for me to even go buy them, I'll have to travel at least half an hour, which I'm in no condition to do, and it's really late right now for me to go buy the things and come back and shoot and edit and then upload. So yeah, I'm sorry that you didn't see a video last Friday. I'm just in a lot of mess right now. So yeah, I'm just like gonna chill now. I'm not gonna do anything because I feel extremely tired. Although I'm just gonna like lay in bed and ideate for my upcoming videos, because I do have some ideas that I'm working on and I need to do a lot of like prep for them. So yeah, I do have some exciting videos coming, so stay tuned for that. And yes, I'm just gonna chill for a while now, not gonna stress out because I am super dead. So guys, it's 10:30 and I'm so ready to hit the bed. So with this we come to an end of this vlog. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.
Start with inhale, exhale. Inhale deeply, rise onto your toes, and stretch arms high.